How to remove show from library on YouTube TV. So if you want to remove show from library on your YouTube TV, or if you want to delete the recordings, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your YouTube TV on your mobile or on your website. So open the YouTube TV app, and once you open, now you just need to simply head over to the entertainment section. And the second step is you need to access the library. So here on the upper side, you will have an library option or library section. Navigate to the library section. This is where you'll find all of your recordings like shows and movies. And the third step is you need to select the recording to delete. So scroll through the list of the recordings under the recordings and purchases option and look for the movie or TV show that you want to delete. Once you've selected, now you just need to click or tap on the three stacked dots next to the recording that you want to remove. And from the pop up menu, you will have these options. So you can simply choose add it to library option. So click on add to library. And once you click on add to library, that's it. You've deleted a recording from your YouTube TV library. Repeat this process anytime you want to remove unwanted recordings, and you can enjoy your organized viewing experience. So that's how you can delete the recording on your YouTube TV. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.